Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Fred Livai, VP of Sales, here to prove my score. And in this video, I wanted to go ahead and discuss
at the end of the road,
some things in regards to student loans. So before we get started, I'm going to turn off the GPS because we don't need that no more. But yes, so like I was saying, I wanted to talk about student loans because this is an area that really comes down to some very important things. Now, a lot of times what I see with people who have student loans, typically they're late, and typically they have multiple student loans. So the purpose of this video is to try to help educate you guys in regards to student loans, how they work, so you guys will have a better understanding of what it does when you do default on the loans. Now, typically you won't receive a late payment on your credit report until you're 90 days late. So this is a long time that they give you before they even mark you as being late. So you can be 30 and 60 days late and not even be reported to your credit report, which would be a benefit for you if you took advantage of it. Now, the way student loans work is that they go ahead and process each loan as the disbursement is given. So whenever a disbursement is given towards payment to the school, then that counts as one student loan. So sometimes, you might go to a trade school where they are dispersing money every 6 weeks to 8 weeks. And every time they disperse, they might disperse 1 or 2 different loans to pay for the schooling. This would count as 1 to 2 loans. And if they're doing this every 6 weeks, and say you had a 60-week course, I'm just making up some easy numbers, that would be 10 different loans. If you had 2 disbursements per 6 weeks, you're looking at 10 different loans times 2 different types of loans. So you're looking at 20 different loans. Okay, 20 different loans is going to be very negative if you are getting a 90-day late, because once you hit 90 days, your scores are going to drop dramatically. If you have a 30-day late here, a 30-day late there, but once you hit that 90 days, scores are going to drastically drop, and that's what we're trying to avoid. So what we'd like to try to help you guys do, and this is a service that we do offer, is try to help you consolidate those student loans, get them down to 1 to 2 loans. So that way, if you do happen to default, at least you're defaulting on only 2 rather than, in our example, 20. So this is something that hurts a lot of my clients that come into services with credit repair, because even if we're able to do a lot of things with other accounts, and say, for instance, we were able to delete, 12 items per bureau, but you still have these 20 items showing for a defaulted credit, as a defaulted student loan, your scores are still going to be horrible. So one of the benefits that you get when you do a student loan consolidation with us, the first type of benefit you're going to receive is you may not have a payment due for up to 90 days. That's the first thing. Second thing, we might be able to get you a 0 or lower payment that you're already paying. Second benefit. Third benefit, if you've never been put through a program to help get those negative items removed as far as the late payments, that might be a third benefit. So these are the types of things that we're able to help do for you. Again, expertise comes into play. Yes, you can do it yourself. Yes, you can hire a company to do it for you, but if you do, you want to make sure that you're dealing with a company that's knowledgeable in regards to the things that you're trying to do with your credit, because at the end of the day, you got to take care of, number one, you got to take care of yourself to make sure that you're doing everything that you can do. So I just wanted to go ahead and go over these few little topics in regards to student loans and consolidating, because like I said, there are things that we can help you with in regards to your credit. Typically we see score increases when a client will go through one of our programs for student loan consolidation. Again, we can't guarantee anything, but this is something that we do see, so we wanted to just make sure that we make you guys aware of the types of things that could happen should you go through our consolidation program. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for taking a few minutes with me, and I will talk to you guys soon.